The Garmin GLO 2 GPS sensor. Wi-Fi only iPad with no GPS. Will these two link together seamlessly? And can we use Google Maps to navigate? Let's check this out and see how it works. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to go into our iPad. If you don't have Google Maps, go ahead and download it on your iPad. They say for this to work accurately with turn-by-turn directions, you're going to want to download the offline map. So pretty simple here. What we want to do is go into the map of the area that you're going to be navigating. So here I am in Central Florida. Let's see how well this works. Let's check out offline maps. But there's two options. Download your own map and download a local map. It's 20 megabytes. Let's go ahead and download the local map. Said it may take up to 20 megabytes. We have plenty of space on this thing. We have 83,000 megabytes. So let's go ahead and hit the download button. Oh man, it's going fast. 90%, 95%, boom. All right. That's it, and it says that you can update it whenever you want. Let's go ahead and just update this again, unless updated. Let's see what happens when we update it. It's already updated, so we're good. So we should be working off of an offline map now, so now we can go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do now that we're set up is we have the offline map downloaded for Google Maps. We are going to go ahead and we make sure that the Wi-Fi is off for this test. Wi-Fi is off. Bluetooth, we're going to turn our Bluetooth on. Hit Bluetooth. We're going to turn it on. Searching for a device. Let's go ahead and turn our Garmin GLO 2 on. All right, Garmin GLO 2. Is one of the devices. Let's go ahead and click that. Connected instantly. We have satellite signal. We have Bluetooth signal. We're ready to go. Now we're going to go into Google Maps and see if we can get some turn-by-turn directions. Okay, as you can see here, our location is here. We're right here in Port Orange, Daytona Beach, Florida. Let's go ahead and let's do a search. Let's see if there's somewhere we want to go. Let's go to Home Depot. All right, and let's go ahead and start our navigation. We don't need directions. There we go. Definitely seems to be tracking our location. Well, hopefully you can see it without the glare on it.
Slight left.
All right, we got 2 miles to go till our next turn. Google Maps is taking us the quickest route. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn left here at this street and see how quickly the Google Maps reroutes the direction after I take this left.
Head west.
Instantly. I mean, within, what, 10 seconds? So this thing is working very efficiently. It's tracking perfectly. It's a seamless setup. I mean, it just hooks immediately to Bluetooth. You don't need a Garmin app for it to link to your iPad. It just automatically links. Let's go ahead and take another turn here, see if it reroutes us.
Head northeast. In 600 feet, turn left. In 800 feet, turn left.
So I'm not in any Wi-Fi area. Wi-Fi is not connected. I have a offline map downloaded from Google Maps, and that's what I'm working off of right now.
Turn right.
Is the Garmin GLO 2 worth it? At $99, I say yeah, definitely worth it. I don't have to buy a GPS. I can use this for marine navigation. I can use it for vehicle navigation. It works seamlessly, just seamlessly with the iPad. Definitely worth the purchase. So check down in the description down below. There's a link to where you can pick one of these things up for 99 bucks. You'll get it in the mail in 2 or 3 days. Definitely worth it. So from Stonebroke Adventure, till next time.